Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to sell successfully. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to sell successfully on Poshmark, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Poshmark application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is create a strong listing by using photos, title which include brand type, size and color, and description which includes honest about conditions, includes detail like measurements, fabric, flaws and care instructions. The next is to price smartly. Check sold listings of similar items to gauge the right price. Consider Poshmark fees, which is 20% for sales over $15 and 2.9 flat fee for sales under $15. The next is to share and promote listings. Simply share often to your followers and parties and follow similar sellers as well. And then next is to offer great customer service, respond quickly to questions and ship within 1 to 3 business days, and package item nicely. Buyers love a thoughtful touch like tissue paper or thank you note. You can also use bundles by encouraging buyers to bundle multiple items for discounts, and bundle increase average order size and get more sales. And lastly is to stay active and consistent. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.